eat up these grains, or when we eat the flesh of the animals which are grazing over these plant, so these gets accumulated in their body, known as biomagnification, and which is one of the reason of the increase in the cancer patients in today's scenario if we talk about. So this biomagnification, and it is also responsible for degradation in the population of the birds also, due to poor quality of their shells. Okay students, so these are different, we can say that, harmful effect of soil pollution. And if you, then how this soil pollution takes place? This soil pollution takes place by mixing of undesirable substance into the soil, by dumping of non-degradable substance, non-biodegradable substance like polythene, plastics, thermocol, PVC, which we are dumping, chemical waste from different factories, sugar industries, tanning industry waste, these nuclear waste, these all are degrading the physical, chemical and biological property of the one of the very important natural resource, that is the soil. So this soil needs to be conserved, needs to be preserved, and it should be used judiciously if you want to get food for us. If you want to get food for us, we want to get, you can say, clothes for us, fabrics for us. If we want to get different medicines, because all things we are obtaining from natural resources. If we are taking any medicine, that medicine also we are getting from the, you can say, plants. So if we will not conserve this soil, then how the plants will grow? Then how animals will flourish in that? How birds will survive? How insects will survive? So everything will be affected if soil is not conserved. So students, I have explained you all. I tried my best to make you the things clear to you, to make all the things clear to you. Now we move on to the keywords. Clay is given one first keyword is the clay, second is the humus that I explained you in detail. Then is the loamy, it is also a type of the soil which I already explained to you. Percolation, I already explained. Moisture, sandy and water retention. For example, if you given